So in case you guys didn't know, I am going to be making a server, and on that server it's gonna be pretty hard because just, servers, but whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna be playing on one of my Mineplexes. Actually, no, I'm gonna create a new world. So it's gonna be like that. So then I'm gonna put allow cheats on, bonus chest on, and I'm gonna be playing on this world a little bit more than you guys would think. So what I'm doing is, I don't know why I have headphones on. I have headphones on. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is, since I'm on creative, there's my bonus chest. So right here, I will be putting some stuff. I just love this texture. Just love it, don't you? It's like the best texture ever. By the way, I'm playing a little bit different than you guys would expect. So I'm gonna be playing. Yeah, so you guys, today's raining. It's raining today. So I'm just ignore the sound of rain, or don't. If you like the sound of rain, don't ignore it. So usually what I would do here is I would put a roof right here. Oh yeah, I haven't told you what I'm doing. So what I'm doing is I'm making not really a house, but an enchanting room. And so I usually make these when I'm making a not real server, but like practice for my server. I usually make these when I'm building a practice server. And it's kind of hard because, well, just hard stuff. Whatever. So what I usually do, right here on the door, I would put that and then do this, that, and now it's done. So no mobs or anything can actually get out in it. I'm gonna actually do / general mob B mob briefing false, because then mobs can't blow up your house. So I just love the texture of this wood, and I'm gonna usually be playing this a lot, so just get used to it. So, there you go. Now I'm gonna add a door. So they moved doors to redstone, it's weird. I just love this kind of door, so cool. Now to put, these will have books. B-O-O-K, bookshelf. Oops, I was only actually needed one, but whatever. These will be bookshelves. And there will be a lot more bookshelves than you would think. Like, I'm gonna put a whole bunch. Like on this side, that, and that. So you can still see the bookshelves. But it's kind of crowded in here. But I know what I'm doing. So then you need an anvil, anvil, well, an enchanting table and an anvil. Actually, I can find anvil on decorations. If you go to decorations, you can find anvils. then just place those 2 ingredients there, place that there, and boom, enchantment table. But what about lapis? Most people say, what about lapis? You don't have any lapis. Most people make maps, but then they forget about lapis. So I'm just gonna put lapis. L-A-P, lap. I'm gonna have to put a lot of lapis because this is a prep for the server that I'm gonna make pretty soon. If you type in L-A-P, yeah, then if you type in lap, it'll bring out lapis. So yeah. So now I'm just bringing all the lapis. Come on, not lapis. And you need to go here. Wait, there's this. Here, go to the chest. Put a chest here. Put lapis inside it. A lot of lapis to make sure you don't really ever run out. Bam! Enchanting room. Now, obviously, if you want an enchanting room, you're gonna need a room to go to the end and to the nether. So usually when I make them, I put them about 3 blocks high. Usually when I make portals to the end, I put them 3 blocks high. So that, because I've tried putting them on the ground, and half the time they don't work if you put them on the ground. So what I do is I put them a couple blocks, like 3 blocks high, and then if you type in E and D, end, it'll get up this, and then you also need Eye of Ender, Ender, yes, that's what I meant. How you get an Eye of Ender is you go to a blaze, you kill the blaze, you get the blaze rod, and then you make blaze powder. You put it into an ender, an ender pearl, I can't say it, pearl. You put it inside an ender pearl, and then it, with the, so, I can't do this. Never mind. I'll talk to you later about it, because I can't build and do that at the same time. It's just one of my many unable to abilities. I'll be right back when I am done with this. Bye bye for a sec. Okay, you guys, I'm back, but sadly, very sadly, it's time to end the video. Please subscribe, give me a like, comment down below, and good night. Hope you sleep well and buckle your seatbelts. Bye bye.